What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a really short video. We just tested out the dueling tree that I made. If you're interested in seeing how I made it, I did do a video on that, and I will put it down in the description below if you want to check that out. But I just took it out, tested it to see how it would perform. I did shoot it with 9mm Glock 17, and then just for giggles shot it with the new 5.7 by 28 out of the new PSA Rock 5.7 to see what it would do. And the steel that we used here was 1045. It's a real mild steel, and I have made steel hanging targets out of 1045 before. I've used I think 4 1/4 and 5 1/4 diameter, just because that's what I had at the shop, and I was cutting up something for a job and went ahead and cut the targets out of that. That's why I just used those particular sizes. But all 22 long rifle and pistol rounds do really well. Don't even really dent the steel. I was wondering what 5.7 would do, and it barely put a mark on it as well. But when you go up to rifle rounds like 5.56 and stuff like that and above, I have shot at these before, and it just pops a hole right through those. So I haven't been able to use any of the hanging targets that I made or this dueling tree for that. But pistol rounds and 22 long rifle, small rounds like that, they do really well and don't really hardly dent. So that's what I've been using for this, and it did perform really well, the dueling tree. It depends on how far you are from it. I was about 30 to 40 yards away from it when I was doing this test, and it performed pretty well. Some of the rounds would hit it and it would like partially go to the other side, or it would like swing really hard to the other side and then bang back. But most of the time it did really well, and I mean, it didn't really cost me anything other than my time. So as far as that, I think it did really well. But did want to do a video. I had a couple of people ask since I made this and when I made steel targets in the past. I had never really shown me using them or how they performed, and I hadn't done a video on the dueling tree since I made it to see how that performed. So I just wanted to do this video just to show y'all how it turned out. Did pretty well. I'm happy with it, especially because it didn't really cost me. So that is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, if you're interested in seeing how I made it, did do a video on it. It's down in the description below. Let me know all of your comments down in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, consider getting subscribed. Check me out on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel, and check out the website at watchjoshwiley.com. Have a bunch of discount codes over there for companies that work with the channel. Use the links over there on the page, and it does help the channel out. And I also offer a couple of different machining services that you can check what I offer and prices and stuff like that over there as well. So be sure to do all that. That is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.